Hey everyone, it's John with Pro Image Share, and I'm really excited to finally show off AudienceLink. I've been working on this project for about a year now. Ever since I started creating the apps with the plugin and then distributing to my customers via email, I just didn't like that distributing method, and I really wanted to send them via text. And yeah, I could pull up my phone and I could type the whole thing in text, but it was too much of a hassle. So I created AudienceLink, which is a way to deliver the links via SMS or text message, as it's more commonly called. So we're going to log in here, and once you get an AudienceLink ID, you become a subscriber to the service. You'll get an AudienceLink ID, and you can just hit copy, copy it to your pasteboard, and then you can just paste it, clipboard, and then you can just paste it into Lightroom. Then once you then when you start publishing sites, it'll automatically start creating these lines for you and start tracking and seeing what devices, so you can kind of tell what devices your customers are using to view. And then it'll also count if they use any of the sharing that's provided by the little mini app. So if they use any of that sharing, you'll get a count on that, and you'll know which network they used. You can also tag them. So now you can add a tag, and then you can filter by those tags. So if you just wanted to see what a particular type, like seniors, this is some I tag seniors, you can just cross compare those. And so that's great, but the main reason why I built it was to be able to deliver the content in a better way. So then you have SMS. So once you've published the site for your customer, you can just hit SMS, and then that brings it over here, right, built into the message for you. And you can have like some standard messages that you use, like when you just deliver images, and that way you don't have to retype it each time. And then you just type in the phone number here and hit send, or better yet, you can add them to the audience. So you can click on the add, and it'll just ask you for a phone number, a name, and a description, and you just put that in, and then that way you can filter by any of those. That phone number, you can filter by that name, or you can filter by that description, and find them really easy. If you need to send follow-up texts like it's time to pick up your order, or don't forget your appointment time. If they do send a reply, it will come up here so you can see it. You don't want to start a back and forth conversation here, but at least you'll get to see what they said, and you can address that issue. But the coolest part is the shortcodes. Really like this feature. I can now create a shortcode, and then anybody who texts that to my SMS number will get this predetermined response, and it can have a link in it, or whatever you'd like. But then you also capture their number along with that shortcode attached to it. So now I can filter by that shortcode and do follow-up with those people who requested that content, and see what else I can do to hopefully turn them into a customer. So I'm really excited about using it. I'm going to use it to try to motivate my reps. I'm always coming up with other uses for it. But if you would like to give it a try, just head over to the AudienceLink part of the website, and there's the different plans. They're based on a year, so that price is for the entire year, and then the features change just a little bit. So pick the one that would work for you, and we'll get you set up and start tracking and delivering that content via SMS. Thanks a lot, and hope to talk to you soon.